Okay, so we really want to, well, we have the option of using a for loop or a while loop. In most situations, but you will find that one is usually quite a bit easier than the other one. So for loops we usually use when we're going to iterate over an array that could be even a data frame, an array in NumPy or a pandas data frame. And we know then we usually have a set number of things. So if you know the amount of data you have, you're going to likely use a for loop. And so this is, I would say a for loop is much more natural for data science because we usually have a set number of data. We have a set amount of information that we want to perform a task or an investigation on. Yeah. So usually when we should execute a certain number of times. When we know the number of times, let's say we wanted to execute 100 times, we would use a for loop as well. Because a while loop, it isn't really, it's meant to be a kind of an undefined amount of time. And while an action is true, or while a logic statement, a true or false statement is true, we'll continue to execute this. So while loops are really flexible in that sense, in that they don't have a predefined limit to how long they'll be active. And that's really where they're used. In machine learning, it would be most often used in some really advanced stuff in deep learning, but it would be most often used when you're putting a model into production or you're dealing with data that's live. So you want to be performing some sort of observation, some sort of statistical calculation, say while you're collecting data while there's an internet connection, let's say in this sense, and going through there.